Today we are studying a chapter which name is linear inequation. We are solving exercise 4 and here is the question number 2, that is 2 in bracket x minus 3 less than 1, and we are having a replacement set from 1 to 10. Now here is the solution. We have to multiply by 2 inside the bracket. This will be 2x minus 6 less than 1 is equal to, we have to add 6 on both sides. So therefore we are having 2x minus 6 plus 6 less than 1 plus 6. Cancellation. This 2x as it is less than 7. Dividing by 2 on both sides. 2x upon 2 less than 7 upon 2. 2 will get cancelled. Therefore we are having x is less than 7 upon 2, that means 3.5. We are having replacement set is from 1 to 10, and therefore solution set is equal to, our required x is less than 3.5, that means we are having only solution set is 1, 2 and 3. This is the solution of first sum. Now we have to deal with question number 6, and here is the question. If x is a negative integer, that means we are having replacement set as a negative integer, that is x is nothing but minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to negative infinity. This is our replacement set. Find the solution set of this one question. And here is the question. Now the solution is this 2 upon 3 as it is, plus we have to multiply by 1 upon 3 inside the bracket. So we are having x upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 greater than 0. Take this 2 aside. 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus x upon 3 greater than 0. Solve this. This is the base same 3. 2 plus 1 it's 3 plus x upon 3 greater than 0. This will get cancelled. This is 1 plus x upon 3 greater than 0. By subtraction of 1 from both sides, we are having 1 minus 1 plus x upon 3 greater than 0 minus 1. This will get cancelled. We are having x upon 3 greater than minus 1. Now multiplying by 3 on both sides, we are having 3x upon 3 greater than minus 1 into 3 gets cancelled. X is greater than minus 3. We are having replacement set is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to negative infinity. So therefore our required solution set is, our required x is greater than minus 3, that means our required answer is minus 1 and minus 2. So here is our required solution set. Now we are solving question number 12. This is the question, and here is x is belongs to natural number, that means x is natural number which is our replacement set. Here we are having 5, 8 and 4 at the denominator. We have to take the LCM of these 3 as a 40. So therefore taking 40 as LCM of 5, 8 and 4, Therefore, here is the 5. So, we have to multiply at the numerator by 8 because 8 5s are 40. So, 8 inside the bracket, 11 minus 2x greater than or equal to, we have to multiply here by 5 inside the bracket, 9 minus 3x plus here we have to multiply by 10. This is 10 into 3. Multiply inside the bracket, it's 88 minus 16x greater than equal to 45 minus 15x plus 30. Now we have to add 16 on both sides. So 88 minus 16x plus 16x greater than or equal to 45 minus 15x plus 16x plus 30. This is going to getting cancelled. Remaining is 88 greater than or equal to, this is 45 plus 30, and this one we can solve as x. 88 as it is, greater than or equal to 75 plus x. By subtracting 75 on both sides, 88 minus 75 greater than or equal to 75 minus 75 plus x. This is getting cancelled. Subtraction is 13 greater than or equal to x. That is, x is less than or equal to 13. We are having replacement set is equal to a natural number starting from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Here our x is less than or equal to 13. That means our required solution set is in the curly bracket, it's from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 13. This is our required answer. Now we have to deal with question number 26, and here is the solution. This minus sign as it is, 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3 less than equal to x plus 1 upon 3 less than 3 3s are 9 plus 1, it's 10 upon 3. Now we have to split this question in two parts. Now, so this is minus 8 upon 3 less than equal to x plus 1 upon 3, and this part, that is x plus 1 upon 3 less than 10 upon 3. We have to solve this and we have to solve this. So here what we have to do, see, we have to subtract 1 upon 3 from both sides. Minus 8 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 less than equal to x plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. Similarly, the same thing we have to do, subtracting 1 upon 3 from both sides. X plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 less than 10 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to, as it is, base is the same, that is 3 minus 8 minus 1, it's minus 9. This is going to getting cancelled, less than equal to x, and this is also getting cancelled, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, x as it is, less than, denominator same, 10 minus 1, it's 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. That is minus 3 less than or equal to x, and x is less than 3. So if you combine both, means what? Minus 3 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 3. Hence, the solution set is in the curly bracket x x is such that which is belongs to R, and minus 3 less than equal to x less than, this is 3. We have to show by the graph of the solution is shown by a thick portion of a number line the solid circle minus 3 indicate that minus 3 is included in the solution, and open circle 3 indicate that 3 is not included in the solution. And here is the graph. Minus 3 is included, so therefore it's a dark circle. 3 is not included, that's why this is the open circle, and in between this is the dark portion of a number line, and this is our required solution by graph. Thank you.